My name is Lisa LeBlanc at Northtown Insurance. What I love about working here and what I think is captivating to people is the environment, the focus on personal growth, commitment to values both as a company and individually. I love the question about benefits because they're both traditional. So traditional benefits of flexibility, unlimited time off, health care, dental care options. I also like to focus on the non-traditional benefits that are a part of our company. Some of those things are volunteer time, opportunities to love and contribute and give back to the community, opportunity to grow and pursue personal development and education through courses, and a team culture that supports and encourages and uplifts and cheerleads each other on in whatever personal area in our lives that we're focusing on.
My name is Joe, and I am the Commercial Account Manager here at Northtown Insurance. I like working here. There's a great sense of teamwork and camaraderie. We work well together. There's a culture of responsibility and accountability that you just don't find in a lot of places. So if you're looking to work here, it's a great place to work. If you're looking to come here and sell insurance, I don't know that that's going to work for you. We're not salespeople here. We're looking to have an engaged, meaningful relationship with our clients, talk to them, understand them, expand with them.
My name is Aaron LeBlanc, and I am the producer here at Northtown Insurance. My favorite thing about working at Northtown Insurance is that my work ethic correlates to my paycheck. This is the first industry I've ever worked in, where the harder I work, the more I get to make. I am in direct control over how many hours I work. I've worked in different industries where it was the 3% wage or everybody gets 35 cents once a year. It's not how it is over here. We do reviews as to how each of us are performing, and then we get to experience the benefits of that, each person individually. It's nice to have the salary to fall back upon, but what's even nicer for someone with the go-getter attitude is to earn extra commissions to where you're getting to choose how much you want to make each month.
My name is Megan Coe. I'm the personal lines lead here at Northtown Insurance. I like working at Northtown Insurance because there's a lot of autonomy in the roles here. There's a lot of ownership over your one role, so you're just fully responsible for that, which allows a lot more freedom as well for you to make the decisions you feel are best for your role and what you're doing. I like that there is a lot of opportunity for growth at Northtown Insurance, as well as it's a good place to be for a long-time career. If you have an interest in working at Northtown Insurance, I would want you to know that it's a unique environment. There's a lot of focus on relationship, not just with customers and our community, but with each other, which I would say is probably abnormal for such a black and white industry. So come with an open mind and ready for an experience that's probably unlike anything you've experienced in a business.
Northtown Insurance, protecting our clients, uplifting our community.